We are making Japanese egg sandos. Just boiling some eggs for like 8 minutes. I raced the mile yesterday. I ran the Brooklyn Mile, which is basically just like a 1 mile race down Kent Avenue. It was cool. It was my first race in like 13 years. I ran a 5:01, which is kind of a bummer that it wasn't under 5 minutes, but I will take it since I forgot what a mile feels like. But long story short, now I feel like shit, and I'm hoping that this will cure me. Peel in the eggs. Peeling eggs is like a love-hate relationship. When it flakes off like this, I hate it, but sometimes you get a nice piece that just peels off the whole thing. That's like super satisfying. Are we gonna get it here? And the whole thing comes off. That's nice. Break these up a bit. Ooh, nice. A little jammy. We're going to be using white bread because that's all I got. I like using a bit of flaky salt and some mayo. Kewpie mayo, which makes it Japanese. Looks good. I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches, one with ham, one without ham. I'm just going to warm up a slice of ham really quick. A little more flaky salt. Piece of ham on this one. Do a little more mayo on this one too. Let's cut these triangles. Cut the other one. Let's see if I could stand them up. That'd be kind of cute. Just stay for the picture. Good enough. All right, let's try this. It's a good bite. Try with ham. I am healed. Okay, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.